In just hours away from now, the US will elect its new president between President Donald Trump and Democratic challenger Joe Biden. But why do the US elections matter to India? Let's do a three-point analysis of what's at stake for our country. 1. What the US elections mean for India? Well, the US is the world's largest economy with a GDP of approximately $18 trillion. In 2019, the FDI from US to other countries amounted to $5.96 trillion. That's the highest by any country. The FDI inflow into the US was at $250 billion in 2019. Again, the highest in any other country. And because of its size and interconnections with the world in the form of investments, trade transactions, etc., developments in the US economy have an implication on the rest of the world as well. And changes to the political system also affect these developments. Changes to its monetary policies, for example, made by the Fed, influences not only the financial conditions in the US, but also the financial conditions for much of the world. Also, as for India, the relationship with the US also matters to it more than any other bilateral engagement in the world. For FY20, bilateral trade between the US and India stood at an astounding $88.75 billion, positioning the US as India's top trading partner. However, both sides have also had issues on tariffs, immigration laws, data protection, etc. 2. How the elections will affect Indo-China relations. Well, it is important to see how a second Trump administration or maybe a Biden administration perceive and also approach China. The Trump administration's more hawkish view of China so far has been quite welcome. It broadly converges with the India and Indians' concern about the rising China's actions and also its intentions. And it has also facilitated the Trump administration to assign India a very important role in its strategic framework, including through the free and open Indo-Pacific concept. This in turn has laid the basis for defense and security cooperation, incentivized Washington to manage the differences with Delhi on trade, Russia, Iran, and human rights, and led to vocal American support for Indian and also India in the ongoing crisis with China. Now, even though commentators have noted that Biden's recent or more hardened view of China, but what a Biden administration really sees in terms of a strategic competition with China and how it might really choose to blend in the cooperation will also have implications for India. 3. Trump or Biden, who will be better for India? Well, in India, industry and policy observers are keenly watching the elections. So far, the odds are stacked in favor of the Democratic challenger Joe Biden, at least going by the pre-poll analysis which is coming out of the US. Also for India, however, experts say that irrespective of whoever wins this presidential race on November 3rd, there is a good chance that India will continue to remain important for the US also. Now, if Biden wins the 2020 US presidential elections, it could actually mean issues cropping up, say, as irritants between India and the US. For that, I mean Kashmir. Now, also, on the other hand, Biden also plans to make the US a signatory of the Paris Agreement again. Now, this could be a boon for India. Now, while Trump is seen as a more transactional administrator, Biden has a more multilateral approach. However, most experts also see a continuation by and large of the policies Trump started off, even if there is a change in the leadership. Now, a Democratic win, for instance, is unlikely to displace the America First thrust by Trump, which has left a lasting contribution to American politics. Experts say that at a time when the economy is faltering and the scare of a second COVID-19 wave is sweeping through the country, Biden will not be able to really turn away from that rhetoric as well. Now, with either Trump or Biden, the foreign economic policy choices and also the budgetary choices will have crucial implications for India.